Hello there, it's been quite some time since I posted the last video, which I will give you guys an update what I was doing in this period of time. But we have this turbo engine here, which is from Sterling Kit. We're gonna put it together and see what we have. It's all metal, which I wanted to make something like this before. We have these files available and I think it's free. You can print them, but the thing with these, it's already comes in a box and it's all metal with all the bearing, hardware, everything. So we're gonna assemble that and see how big gonna be. And the interesting thing with this one, it's over 1000 pieces and it will take you over 10 hours. And yeah, it will be interesting to put it together and see how the mechanical things will work. Alright, we have another update, which is for the Supra project. We will have it in 10 scale. I have so many people ask me for the 10 scale because with the 8 scale it's a bit big and you can't drive it around in the house. So we will have it in 10 scale and it will have almost all the things that the 8 scale has. All the panels will be putting together and you can remove it. We will have a detailed engine in the front and dashboard. Doors will be opening. This is what I was working on. I almost finished the chassis. There are so many details I have to work on them, and then I will test print it and give you guys an update. Even now I was working on it for some time, but I will show you what I did. Alright, the first thing you will notice, we don't have the holes on the chassis, which I will put only the holes that we will need for the seat and also the gearbox, things like this. But other than that, I'm not gonna put more. I wanna make it rigid and solid because it's small, we have to make it strong. And another thing I would like to do, I will make the upper skeleton and the lower chassis separate, which you can put all the things on. Like you will put the suspension on and then you will put the skeleton on, because the chassis is very small, so it will be easier to work on it like this and then put the skeleton on. That's the idea. I will do that. Alright, that was the update for the 10 scale Supra project. It's not going to be only Supra, we can use other bodies for that, but you guys know that with that name. Alright, let's get back to this. We're gonna open it and put it together. But first of all, we will see the quality and how it comes in the box. Alright, so here we have over 1000 pieces with the hardware and all the accessories, and also we have the tools we need, but we're not gonna use these because with these it will take way longer time. I recommend you to get electrical screwdriver like this and it will be very useful. Alright, so I'm gonna use the manual and start assembly. I'm happy to announce this video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you are thinking on custom design and need PCB board, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding or 3D printing, they can do all of that. Link in the video description box below. Back to the video. Alright, it's finished. I like everything about it except the sound. It's a bit loud. I have an idea for this. What if we put a brushless motor on it and see how fast we can spin it and take some shots with the smoke? And I have to close these parts so we can see how that smoke coming out way faster with the brushless motor. But yeah, that's my idea. What do you think about it? We can try something like this. And I will give you guys an update for the 10 scale Supra project. The product link will be in the video description box below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.